Good morning, students. We are going to start our new chapter, that is force and pressure. Okay, force and pressure. In this chapter, we'll discuss about force and also we'll discuss about pressure. But now we are going to discuss about force. Okay, now what is force? Force is any push or pull. Okay, what is force? Force is any push or pull which it changes or tries to change. Means it can be possible that position, shape, size or direction of an object is changes, means change, otherwise they may be possible the shape, size or direction will not change. Okay, so means any push or pull is force, and in that condition it may be possible that our object changes its position, and it can be possible it will not change. Okay, means our force is not as much that it can changes its position. Okay, so what is force? Force is any push or pull which changes or tries to change. Okay, tries to change the position, shape, size or direction of an object. Okay, speed of an object. Now its SI unit is Newton. Okay, its CGS is in a CGS system, its unit is dyne. Okay, CGS means centimeter gram second, SI means international system of unit. Okay, so in international system of unit, its unit is Newton, and in CGS its unit is dyne. If we want to relate them, then we can say 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Okay, and as it is a physical quantity, firstly, so it has magnitude. If we want to measure the force, then what two conditions we require? First is unit and next one is magnitude. Okay, two quantities are required to determine any of a physical quantity. Okay, and force is also a physical quantity. So for describing force, for measuring force, we require two quantities, unit and magnitude. What is magnitude? Magnitude is the numerical value. Okay, and that one which I have written dyne, that is unit. Okay, and here I have written one is magnitude and Newton is unit. Okay, so for measuring a physical quantity, we require two things, magnitude and unit. Okay, so the quantities which have only magnitude and direction and no direction. Okay, means if we want to tell you about force, I can say I'm applying force in this direction. Okay, and if I want to say that I'm pulling it, means I'm forcing it towards that direction, means there is direction also. So force contain magnitude and direction both. That's why we say that force is a vector quantity. There are two types of physical quantities, vector and scalar. Okay, what is vector quantity? Which has both magnitude and direction, both. Okay, and scalar quantities are the quantities which have only magnitude. Okay, so our force is a vector quantity, means a force has magnitude and direction both. Now formula force is mass into acceleration. Now as we all know, mass is matter contained in an object, or matter contained of in an object is mass of that object. Okay, and what is acceleration? I think you have read it in maths. But what is acceleration? Acceleration is a change in velocity upon time taken, or we can say rate of change of velocity. Okay, here I have written the formula: a equals to v minus u upon t. Okay, acceleration, what is acceleration? Acceleration is a rate of change of velocity. So I have written the formula: F equals to ma. Okay, where m is mass, a is acceleration, and from here we can write its unit. As I have told you that unit of force is Newton, so we can write it like that: mass has unit kg, and acceleration, what is its unit? I have written here unit of acceleration, as I have written the formula: acceleration equals to v minus u upon t. V minus u means velocity, change in velocity, means its unit will be meter per second, and upon t, t means second, its unit will be second. So the unit of acceleration will be meter per second square. Okay, so we can write unit of acceleration here. So unit of force is kg meter per second square, which we also call Newton. Okay, so if we want to write it in MKS system, we can write kg meter per second square. Okay, 1 Newton equals to 1 kg meter per second square. Means force has unit Newton in SI system, and CGS we can write Dyne. And Newton, 1 Newton is equals to kg meter per second square. Okay, now we'll discuss about force in next video. Till now, if you have any query, you can ask by message, or you can ask in another class. Okay.